Obaseki don establish 7-man electoral commission. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don put in place 7 members of Edo State Independent Electoral Commission, where Justice James Oyomere retired, be the head, to conduct elections for local government councils for the state. On top the swearing-in wey shele for Government House Benin City, Governor come bid dem not to dey biased for conduct for the council poll, make dem ensure say the electoral process go dey free, fair and see-through.
It is indeed a very important occasion for us because this newly constituted commission has the task of midwifing a new democratic dispensation at the local councils so that we can deepen the dividends of democracy and bring government closer to our people. We are all witnesses to the evolutions that have come to characterize elections and the evolving electionary process in our country and the need to have a very fair and impartial umpire.
Obaseki Konya say the newly formed commission get the power to take help bring new democratic freedom for local councils to grow dividends of democracy and carry government near in people.
We as a government are very, very sensitive to the role of the electoral umpire because we are beneficiaries of a free and fair process, and having benefited from a free and fair process, we feel committed to ensuring that others have the same benefits that we have enjoyed bringing us into power. Therefore, the assignment before your commission is to deploy novel tools and ideas, particularly technology, in conducting elections that will be described as best in class. Since we took office in Edo State, we have taken deliberate steps to innovate the systems which will deliver proper services to our people. Because at the end of the day, if we cannot build public trust, anything we do will not command popular support of our people.
Obaseki continue and say with the improvements for the electoral process for the state, them hope to conduct local government election wey go dey reliable and valid by the people, and as government them go help the commission to make sure say them deliver the mandate. He come beg the political leaders and actors to play simple so our people fit choose those wey go lead them.
With improvements in the electoral system in the state, we hope that we will conduct local government elections that will be seen as credible and acceptable by the generality of our people, so that, as I said, we can continue to build trust in our systems. We want to use this opportunity to appeal and encourage all stakeholders in our political space in Edo State to play their part so that our people continue to actively participate in the process of choosing those who will lead them, because it's only when we have the right people in the stairs managing the affairs of state that we can engender sustainable development.
Justice Oyomere come thank the governor when him take find them worthy for the appointment, say the committee will carry out their responsibility for interest of the Edo people.
I want to thank the governor of Edo State for finding us worthy for nomination and appointment to this office. We see it as a call to duty. We want to pledge to Mr. Governor and the people of Edo State that we will carry our duty diligently in the interest of the state. We pledge to deliver a free, fair and credible election to the state. We also want to appeal to all stakeholders, particularly the political actors that we will give them a level playing ground. We know the elections are time bound and we will hit the ground running. Mr. Governor, once again, thank you.
The ogbonge people wey full ground for this inauguration are Chairman, Edo State Independent Electoral Commission, Honorable Justice James Oyomire, retired, Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, Secretary to the State Government Osaro John Oge Esquire, and member Edo State Independent Electoral Commission Gladys Itaho. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.